Good morning, everybody. It's Marty, the JavaScript party. No Rhett this morning because I'm running super duper late. My camera was not working. Used to be that if the camera wasn't working and then I did that, I'd activated, deactivated, and reactivated my camera. It would automatically sort of the picture would just start being very jumpy. Um, but that does not seem to be an issue anymore. It was like went into work yesterday. It was nice. It was really nice. Got a good chance to talk to my boss's boss. I don't know why why would the browser be harder to place than the IDE? That's weird. In Visual Studio, open recent, space and time, npm start. So I was thinking today, like how, because it's weird, like I've learned so much on this application. I would definitely like I would say one of the probably the biggest breakthrough for me has been like I had been really trying to get a good grasp of memory leaks, and then um, um, I'm in mesh service. This should be. I thought it was material. Let's see. Is there anything in here? Yeah, this has the get scene service. Why am I? That is weird. Hit back. I think I might have put this comment in the wrong place because this is in mesh service after ST mesh service becomes a deferred dependency, but this is ST mesh service. Okay, so that was a bad thing. And if I remember correctly, it was in the was it the animation? Yeah, it was in the animation service. This, yes, this is what we want. This needs to be a deferred dependency. Now, did we? Okay, so we did not make it an animations deferred dependency class. And so memory leaks was sort of the big thing, right? Like I just never dealt with memory leaks before. I mean, I had been trying to wrap my mind around what a memory leak is, and then it was just kind of like, let me close everything else. And then this application made it very easy for me to demonstrate, like, hey, these are objects that are supposed to look at something, but that something doesn't exist anymore. So, or they're supposed to define something. Say Control P, package.json. This is one of my favorite things about that. See how I have class st geometry? Like, I don't have to go back and relearn this. I know exactly how to set up one of these things now. Because I captured it in this. So this is class st animation deferred animation. Now I know that like if I was working right now, like st animation, if I was working right now, st animation, my boss would be like, "Hey man, let's try to make this like reusable and all that." I think that there's a lot of value to that, but I don't think there's as much value as um, so I want this to show up here as just like having this stuff separated so you don't end up with like unknown dependencies, like because they're buried in the code somewhere. Maybe my emoticon thing might actually be a good solution because I could put like a little deferred dependency sort of emoticon everywhere where I use one, so then it would be easy to sort of look through it and see it. But I don't know. I suppose that if emoticons ever become a thing, I'm going to be very unhappy probably, Run. Because probably going to be like something that's like, oh my gosh, these guys, they're hardcore at defining every emoticon that you can use, and then there's yeah, it's probably going to be really really hard once people start doing it. But anyway, so I'm hoping that a new file shows up in here. So funny. I was about to start deleting the spec because in my all my other projects right now, I'm not doing any kind of unit testing because they did that. Okay, so here we are. So this is going to be our deferred dependency, and we're literally going to just boilerplate this thing. We're going to go through, see how the other one is, and I know I want to get a mesh dependency, but yeah, it's already 9:01, so I got to go. But happy coding, everybody. Have a wonderful day. Bye.